Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, we will be making just a simple sandwich, no? Kasi my husband, after his surgery, parang so far he's been craving for a lot of sandwiches. So siguro for the last episodes to come, we'll be making a lot of sandwiches. But for today, shout out lang muna kay Manila Bake. No? So, thank you to Manila Bake because a week ago, I ordered city sour na slice, 2 loaves. I didn't really complain. I just said, okay, I'll just do it another time. But voluntarily, sila nag-Viber sa akin and sabi nila na it wasn't up to standard. So, they sent me 2 free loaves today. Kaya to Manila Bake, thank you so much. So, city sour. So, I ordered it from them in Viber and then pinapadeliver nila. So, ngayon, basically, it's a steak sandwich, but it's a steak sandwich cheat. Basically, naluto ko na kasi to because I used it the other day. So, this is actually SUKIYAKI CUT. So, if you buy it, I think in Landers, SNR, and a lot of the groceries, actually local groceries, meron sila yung ginagamit for Korean, di ba, yung yakiniku or yung samgyeopsal, di ba? So, that's what I bought. And then, what I did is I just added salt and pepper. But, for today, you can add some mixture. I'm using that, the city sour na slice, and then Eden cheese, a little bit of onions, and then we'll make salad dressing para we'll serve it with some salad. So, dahil my husband nga came from surgery, so sometimes you don't want naman to serve na parang pagkain na pang may sakit, di ba? Normally. So, dinadaya ko na lang siya sa plating. So, it's either you serve it here, pero feeling ko mas maganda siya sa chopping board. So, pwede na lang to. Di ba? Ganyan lang. Gawa tayo ba yung salad. Tapos na yung plating pero wala pa yung pagkain. Anong say niyo doon? So, inisip ko muna yung plating, anong itsura. Then, inisip ko, anong lulutuin ko. So, alika na. Alika na dito. So, basically, for this, you will just need a pan, no? Like what I said, this is the beef that we already cooked the other day. So, what I will do is, I will just saute it with some butter and some onions. And just to add a little bit of taste. And of course, butter is life. So, this sandwich is a bit greasy, pero comfort food talaga siya. So, that's all I can say. Because the pan where I will saute the beef and the onions, doon ko gagamitin. So, we're just gonna saute. At dahil 2026 na, mas malaki na ngayon ang aking Nor seasoning. Oh, social na kami. I'm still in love with Nor seasoning. Ang kulit, di ba? So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting Nor. Yan. Ang bango. O, di ba? 2026 na, hindi pa rin tayo nagbago. O, di ba? Ako pa rin bumili niyan, hindi sponsored. Pero pwede rin ako sponsor kung gusto, di ba? Yan. Oh my God, don't you just love it? Hold on. So we're just heating it a little bit. So, because luto na yung beef, just pretend if it wasn't cooked. That's exactly what you're gonna do. But this one came straight out of the ref. Kasi nga, when you buy it, it comes in a very big pack. So, kung hindi mo naman maluluto lahat kasi konti lang naman kumakain. So, what I did is, linuto ko yung buong pack and then kinip ko siya sa maliliit na food containers. And I put it in the ref or in the freezer and as I cook it, tsaka ko lang siya lilalabas. No? Yan. Bango. Nor is life. Okay. So, now that it's there, ititisyo ko muna. Kasi, sayang naman yung oil, right? So, we're not gonna wash it. Conserve water. Yan. Because we will need the heat of the pan to toast the bread. So we're just gonna toast the bread a bit. So the city sour of Manila Bake, actually, you can order it sliced. And then when I get it sliced, I divide it and I put it in Ziploc and then nalagay ko siya diretso sa freezer. So this bag came straight from the freezer and I'm putting it straight here. That's what I'm doing. So while that's there, handain ko na yung aking mayonnaise. We are just browning it a little. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm toasting it. Pero kunyari, meron kang toaster oven, okay din naman. But it's here, sayang na yung pan. The heat is there. Make use of the heat. Sayang yung energy or that heat if you're gonna use another apparatus. Okay, magsaslice lang tayo ng cheese. So, pwedeng Eden cheese, pwedeng quick melt cheese, Pwedeng Danes, any cheese. Pwede rin mozzarella or cheddar. So, it's up to you. Just gonna slice lang. Just make cheese slices. Alam ko, meron tayong nabibili sa grocery yung naka-cheese slice na. By all means, that would be great, di ba? Of course, we're just making use whatever's in the refrigerator or in the pantry. Yan. So, I think that should be enough. So, now, medyo mukhang okay na siya. So, what I will do, ng mayonnaise, and then konting mustard. Any mustard will do. Hindi ko na tinanggal sa pan. Para habang mainit. Since I will be toasting it in the pan, I will put cheese on both sides para mag-melt, diba? Our steak sandwich, look at that. Oh my God, Nor, I love you, diba? Pangmalakasan yung Nor ko ngayong 2026, diba? So this is sloppy. It's a very sloppy sandwich, but oh so good. And then, I will top it with some more cheese para both top and bottom mag-melt. Diba? Kasi if you flip natin mamaya yan. Sandwich. Yan. Okay, now, gagawin mo dyan ay water. Then, flip. Okay? And then, balik ko sa fire. Pag nag-melt na yung cheese, magsistick na yan. So, para mas mabilis, let me cover it. There you go. So, ang gagawin mo dito ay pipisa-pisain mo. Yung gusto mo pipisain. Isang way pa para mas madali, kung malinis to, yung ganyan mo, make sure malinis ha. Pisain. Yung yan. Para mapisa naman yung kabilang side. So, I'm gonna put it at the lowest. And while we are doing that, we will be making our salad dressing. So, dahil sandwich is quite heavy, no? So, we're just gonna make like a very light dressing. Very little, about a teaspoon of the calamansi. And then mustard. Just probably a tablespoon of water. There. So that was mustard, a little bit of water, a little bit of honey calamansi, or just plain honey if you wish. And this is avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you want. Kung pangit to, kasalanan to nila Leo. So yun yan. Yan. There. So it's just the side salad for our sandwich, which should be ready. Sabi sa'yo, gawa na ang plating, hindi pa tapos ang pagkain. Yan. There. Nice. See? Mag-brown na siya. I just want to make sure na tosta, not naman tosta, but lightly toasted yung bread. So when you bite into it, may konting crunch. You can also use mozzarella cheese ha if you want. Daming cheese, cream cheese, pwede rin, di ba? Yun. So this part is a little bit brownish kasi doon naka-concentrate yung butter. At ngayon, ito na siya. We will slice it. Tingnan natin, kailangan crunchy siya. So, pwedeng slanted. Ayun. Look at that. Told you, it's messy, it's greasy, but it's very good. Yun. O, diba? Feeling mo, may sakit ka pa ba? And there you go. That is our quick and easy shortcut of a steak sandwich, but using sukiyaki cut with honey, mustard dressing, and a bit of calamansi. So that's it, our first sandwich for 2026. Welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Thank you for watching. See you soon in our next episode. Get well soon, kasi ito yung ating recovery food, diba? Bye!
Yeah.
Speechless.
Pretty good. Thank you, Manila Bake. I love the bread. Sourdough bread. Very good.
Thank you, Manila Bake.